Kuumana na arimi aingi gukorwo matiganiirie urimi wa soya riu ikundi itiganite ari hamwe na gia tuskil niciambitie kambiini ya guthingata arimi kuhimbiria gucokerera urimi uyu na kuringana na amusala murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki augite nimakuruhanitie thiriakri hari undu uyu akiuga ati aingi arimi marakumitie urimi wa mimera ya kawaida ta mbembe na mboco na ikinya riri rigathiriirio ni arimi aria na mufango uyu.
My name is Stephen Amusala. I am the Chief Executive Officer of the Anglican Development Services Western, otherwise we call it ADS. ADS is a faith-based development organization that operates within Western, and Western I mean Kakamega, Vihiga, Bungoma and Busia. And today here at Mabanga, we are gathered for what we call the first ever soybean expo. Why soybean expo? ADS Western has been in a partnership with Tuskil on a project we call a soya commercialization project since 2019.
This particular partnership was started in 2019. And the purpose basically was to move from subsistence farming to commercial farming of soybean. And why the shift? The shift is because of the ever-increasing demand of soybean, not only in Kenya, but also in the rest of the world.
The goal and the intention of the soybean project was that we can be able to mobilize smallholder farmers to appreciate the importance of soya beans, and in that appreciation then they would be able to be mobilized to grow soya beans.
The idea is, in as much as the demand is ever increasing on a day-to-day basis, the supply is declining. That leads to Kenya over-relying on imports.
Kwa majina ninaitwa Gaudensia Ongwen. Mimi ni mkulima, ninatoka Kakamega County, Matungu Sub County, Koyonzo Ward. Na kuhusu huu mradi wa soybean na Tuskil pamoja na ADS imenifaidi sana kama mkulima. Cha kwanza katika huu ukulima nilianza kama mkulima mdogo sana, mchanga mwenye haelewi kuhusu manufaa ya soya. But right now kupitia katika yale mafundisho ambayo tumepata katika mafundisho kutoka ADS, mafundisho kutoka Tuskil, imeniweka mahali